Elevate. Jump. Yes. Come on. Let's go, Jesse. Knock it down. Good. Catch. Let's go. Come on. Knock these two down on the base. Good. Ooh, nice grip. Now, y'all got these last. Knock it down. Good. Come on. One more, Jesse. Come on, Casey. You got this one. One more. Knock it down. Yeah. That's it. You got to knock it down. Knock it down. You got to run around the whole West of D. Come on, Case. Knock it down, Case. Rotation. Jump. That's 2 points. Do it again. Come on. Come on. Don't bring it back. Keep it there. Rise up. Come on. Good. Fix the rotation. Keep it there. Jump. You brought it back again. Come on, come on, come on. When you get, hey, look, when you get there, don't bring it. Keep it there. And rise straight up. Remember to rise straight up and follow. Come on, you can do it. Keep it there. Jump. Okay. Now, what's the difference? What's the difference between when you do something?
Juices Max eating. Yeah, dip. Okay. I can't swallow water. Hi, King.